Have you ever wished for something and felt like it was out of reach? If so, if you're looking to manifest your dreams, you'll need to be aware of the common mistakes we make along the journey of manifestation.
Welcome back, friends, to your own channel. In this video, we'll explore these mistakes and how to avoid them.
We'll also talk about mastering the art of manifesting through gratitude and visualization. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of developing a stillness practice for manifesting dreams.
By the end of this video, you'll have a greater understanding of manifestation and how to create the reality you desire.
The journey to obtaining the life you want is both difficult and rewarding.
It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice, but it's definitely possible.
However, many people don't succeed because they make common mistakes that prevent them from achieving their goals. In this section, we'll take a look at some of the most common mistakes that are made on this journey and how to avoid them.
The first mistake to watch out for is having a victim mentality.
This can subconsciously stop someone from achieving their goals. Instead of viewing life as something that is out to get them, learn to recognize negative events and navigate them in a positive way. For example, if you're faced with a difficult situation, try not to dwell on the negative aspects of the situation and instead focus on what you can do to overcome it.
Before we move on to further in the video, please hit the subscribe button to stay apprised of our latest videos.
Another mistake often made by those on their journey of manifestation is not expressing gratitude for what one has now. Gratitude and thankfulness is key for manifesting the life you dream of.
When we focus on the good things in our lives rather than dwelling on what we don't have, it creates an overall feeling of joy and peace, which helps us manifest our desires more easily.
Additionally, it's important to reflect deeply about yourself and recognize any negative beliefs rooted inside you that could be preventing success. Oftentimes, these negative beliefs are hidden deep down inside us, where we don't even know they exist until we start examining them closely.
By identifying these hidden beliefs and exploring how they might be affecting your ability to achieve your goals, you can start to change them for the better.
Lastly, believing fully in oneself and knowing one has the power to create their own reality will help them reach the manifestations desired.
Knowing that anything is possible gives people courage and motivation on their journey. Two things that are essential in achieving success.
Friends, manifestation is a powerful word that can be used to describe many different things. For many people, manifestation means achieving their goals in life.
However, it's not always easy to achieve this goal, no matter how hard you try.
That's where gratitude and visualization come in.
Gratitude is a force that can help you even if you are in a tough situation. When you're grateful for the good things in your life, it sends the message to your subconscious mind that everything is okay and that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way.
This can help to keep you positive and hopeful even when things seem difficult. However, focusing too much on the 3D,
your current reality, can hinder manifestation efforts as it sends the wrong signals to your subconscious mind and may lead to an obsession over material wealth or relationships. It's important to remember that thoughts become words and words become actions. So don't forget to speak your desires out loud.
Saying positive affirmations regularly will also help shift your vibration towards attracting positive energy and ultimately success.
Visualization is also a key part of manifesting anything into reality.
When you imagine yourself having what you want already, it sets yourself up for success because it shifts your vibration towards what you want, rather than focusing on negative thoughts or worrying about the details of how it will happen. The more time and effort that you put into visualization, the easier it will be for the manifestation to actually come about in its desired form.
Developing a stillness practice for manifesting dreams.
Having a stillness practice such as meditation is essential for manifesting desires. This practice can help to install new neural pathways in the mind that correspond to one's goals and dreams.
By taking just 5 minutes of complete silence and inner reflection every day, you can begin to create the mental space for success.
To begin with, sit in a quiet place with an erect back and resting hands on your knees. Close eyes gently and let go of outside world for a while. Take deep, long breaths to become fully settled in position. Bring gentle focus to each inhale-exhale without trying to change breathing pattern.
Do this for 5 to 10 minutes initially, then increase time gradually.
Over time, you can increase your discipline by watching our inspiring videos. So friends, before signing off, let me sum up the points we discussed in this video. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help us create the life we desire, but it is important to understand the common mistakes we make along the way.
By understanding and avoiding these mistakes, mastering the art of manifestation through gratitude and visualization, and developing a stillness practice for manifesting dreams, we can create our own reality. Now is the time to take control of your life and begin manifesting your desires into reality. Take action now by setting aside 5 minutes each day for stillness practice. You will be well on your way towards creating a better future for yourself.
Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking it and sharing it with your friends.
Please also leave a comment to let us know what you thought. God bless you all.